Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn about how we can install the Jenkins in the Ubuntu system. Okay, so during this video I'm going to tell you what we are going to do. So first of all, I want to tell you that how we can install the setup with the two ways, with the download the setup and with the command line. Okay, and the second thing, Apache is also running on the 8080 port, and the Jenkins also running on the 8080 port. So how we can resolve this conflict, and how we need to change the port, and what file and what changes we need to do for the changing the port. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to open the Jenkins official website, which is the jenkins.io, and I'm going to make a more search, which is the Jenkins on Ubuntu. Okay, just hit the enter. Okay, so here what you have to do, just click on the download, just click on the Ubuntu, and you can install the what you want to install. So if you want to install the latest version, you can download from here. I'm not going to really download it because I already have it and I just install it. Okay, so for that I'm just going to open the Jenkins software and just open the downloaded folder, and whenever I'm going to click on it, it will open the Ubuntu softwares, and after that I can easily install it. And just on the click on the installation, it's a one-click installation, and it will nothing going to ask. Okay, it will definitely installed. Okay, what we have to do after the installation, I'm going to pause it, because first of all I'm going to tell you about the how we can install it with the command lines also, and after that the both installation will be same, and we will continue for what changes we need to do. Okay, so with that it's already done. Okay, so just open the wiki.jenkins, and here it will tell you some command lines. I'm just going to open the terminal also. Okay, so there is the almost everything with the command line, but they didn't tell you about the how we can resolve the conflict Apache and the 8080 port. There is one thing also given is, but it's not actually going to really work in the old systems. Okay, so first of all, you just need to run some commands. I'm just copy from here and paste it from here also. So I'm going to paste this link in the description box also, so that you can easily get them. Okay, so I just need some more command or so. Just write here sudo, and that's it. Okay, and it's also it's taking some time, so I'm going to pause it. Okay, so it will just checking up the all installation, so it will take some moments. In this moment we can just wait for it. Okay, and this the process. I want to tell you that it's going on the process that directly download. It will take some long time also, so I'm going to just minimize it also. It's 99% almost done, so that I'm just going to copy my next command. Fine, so now it's installed, and just run the last command here. Okay, it's taking just some moments more, so fine, just paste the last command, and now it will telling that Jenkins is already installed the latest version, because I just installed this before making this video, and 0 upgradation, 0 new installation, 0 remove, and 166 is not upgraded. Okay, everything is telling that. Okay, so after that just check it here. This is also asking about the installation. So after this installation, you can already able to install with the GUI. Okay, so I'm going to close it. So we are installed this with the both of the ways, with the downloaded way and with the command line way. Now it's turn how and what we need to do the changes. Okay, so for that just open your terminal. You can just open the new one, and here you have to just go with the cd etc and just write here init.d and just write here ls, and you will see that Jenkins is present here. Okay, so in the side window, just the side window, just open one more terminal and just write the etc default and just write here ls, and now you will see the Jenkins also here. Okay, in both file we need to do some changes. Okay, so just here, just write here sudo gedit Jenkins and hit the enter. It will ask for your system password, and now it's going to open a command. It's going to open a file, and this file just find 8080. Okay, sorry, it's 8090. Okay, so I already installed and already changed it. So in your case it will be find the 8080. Okay, so you can do it with the any port number like 8070 or 80 okay, 8070 is fine, which is the port number should not be busy. Okay, just save it. Okay, so before that I want to tell you that if still you are going to open the 8080 port on the local host, it will also opening the Apache. So that's why this port number is conflict with the both. Jenkins is also asking for the same port, and Ubuntu is also asking for the same point. So how we can remove this conflict? For remove this conflict, we must have to change the port number of the Jenkins, and we put it 8070. Okay, after doing this, you can just save this file and close it. Okay, and now just open the you need have to change in the one more file, which is inside the default folder. Just write here sudo gedit and just write here Jenkins and just type the password, and now you will open the same thing. Now just search here 8080 port and just write here 8070. The port number is modified in the both file should be the same, which is one file we change inside the etc.init folder, and one file we change in the etc.default folder. Okay, after that, okay, so after that we have to just open the fresh command prompt and just write here a command for the restart Jenkins. Sudo service Jenkins and restart, and it may be asked to run one more command. So just copy it and paste it simply, and just type your system password, and once again just restart your Jenkins. So now, okay, fine. Now just open here 8070 port with the local host. And you will see that you are going to sign in the Jenkins. So this is the simplest way that how you can unlock this, and in the next video we will learn how we can use this and what is the use of Jenkins also. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.